So now I first approached it. What is the real value? That property, we got it valued. It works out to be around 32 crores. 42 crores is the value. Then that is a stressed value, and that is the value at which we have to start. Then I thought we have the object or the purpose of the liquidator's work is to get the maximum realization. And as per regulation 33 of the code liquidation rules, there are two possible ways in which a liquidator can approach. The main object being that you are supposed to get maximum realization. Then there should be some minimum. And what is the minimum is that what valuers, a registered expert valuers are going to give you. That is the basic. So it is a dealing with the public funds. So one has to be extremely careful. Otherwise, there will be a lot of legal issues will come against you. The aggrieved party is the promoter who would like to wait and get time, file some cases to stop this process. And once you come to NCLT, one of the advantages of NCLT is very fast and no court will entertain. That is the problem. So I thought they said around 30, 42 crores means there's nobody is going to buy this. 35 to 42 will be the realizable value or 30 crores. So they were working at that level. Then I thought that whenever it is there in the custody of the promoters, nobody will come to buy. And so first step is we have to take the custody, which that resolution professional must have done. 1 full year he did not even conduct the COC and nobody is bothered. And then 1 year they spent happily. They thought this is also like another DRT. So as soon as I took over, we started. I thought that once I am able to take a full custody, then the asset is realizable. It becomes so the valuation will be better. That is a string attached to that property. You listen to me. That asset may be fully valued, but one of the that is as you see discount for lack of control like that. This is also it will be a discount for lack of control because you don't own the possession. Then I thought how to go about realizing the maximum value. There is another problem is there with regard to the auction sale. There are two schedule is there in the schedule 1 regulation 33. You have to go by all rules. That regulation says is a sale by auction. Then sale by auction there are certain procedures. Sale by auction you will not get money because people will beat down the prices and you won't get. And every time 15 days you go there 10% that starts decreasing. So I don't want to take that route. Then there is a private sale is there. So what I have done is before you come to this step, I realized I want to go by price private sale and I have to get maximum realization for the prices for the property. And what is the problem here is to take control. And nobody will give you control. So I started conducting meetings with the promoters, bankers, and all. And at one point of time, that fellows they were also acting and playing game only as usual. They tried to attack, they abused the bankers. So using that, I moved the NCLT seeking the police protection. Then various prayers I have put it. Luckily, we had a very good judge who goes by law, and the adjudicating authority asked me what is the precedent, which provision of law tells you to take it. Correctly, you have to tell them law, precedent, then allowed. So it took almost 1.5 months. It's not that immediately they will give notice to the other side. They will come and then present it, and then the time delay is there. In spite of very fast working, still there is a delay. Within 2 months, I was able to get the direction to the Commissioner of Police to help me in taking the possession. Then the next stage is to organizing the resources because that my bankers were very honest officials, extremely good, and without their cooperation you cannot do anything. So they also cooperated. We worked out a strategy and Pakka strategy I made, and then we took the control of the property. So now the control of the property ensured my valuation goes up by another 6 or 7 crores. Apart from that, realizable value too is increased. Then, if you come to private sale, you have to go with a different strategy. Land, you have to value. Then buildings, you get it valued. Then, if you have land and building, their properties, that will have to be sold through auction. So I thought I will introduce as a going concern. In section 32 of regulation 32, you can sell the asset as a going concern. That is introduced recently. Slump sale is allowed, and on a part piecemeal basis also I can sell this property. So having seen all these things, then I thought we will go as a separate. There are so many things. First, what you can do, you do that. So then we worked on that strategy, and once you took control of it, and nothing could happen, nobody could move the courts, and asset is come to the hands of the